that I cherish so much. Me cherishing it because we have some Christians out. They feel say we are so no mutim no crown. Like they shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
They are so judgmental. Say, baby, they use that place to judge the person.
Yeah.
Fees. Or sorry them. When they enter the pub, it's the same people that you meet. I tell you.
Yeah.
Sorry them. The same people that you meet,
True.
And I've always said it's a Christosome. It's not about the building, no.
Yeah.
It's about Nipano. So brother Sammy to me wrap up, to me wrap clap. That's a bit about gospel. Ama enkophobia attach your makuma or her. I see nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Omo mukaji o many be bring and fees. Enko 4 years I need money to so much to trauma join so. Enti se manya brother Sammy no aba pap no abebo nyumbi. Na ma hu say no. This is not the place I genuinely no. Make me the about na name me kwa sorry I'll have people that they can sing, they can talk to me about my problems. Yeah. As of what is wrong with that? So who ye Christosum ni now again say me cham obi about sorry them. Na ho na me dey tunefo amana sakra.
Why wrong?
Why wrong?
Yeah.
I sorry them might say hospital no.
Yeah.
People are there with their sickness. People are there with their sins.
Yeah.
Eho eni yetie nipa near cancer train nipa edesesano. Me hu so mo mte sorry them mo me konkron. And I mean who so more club no me at the bonyefo.
Yeah.
When you do that, we are too judgmental. Because nobody sits on the throne of judgment. Just in your so me club. Nasa me club, of course. I've been to the club so many times. Yeah. Nasa me club. No me what I'm doing. I bonnet. No bit I sorry them. Edi obi sorry them. Yeah. Fees. Why nyame obe please no
obe please wa out to club but I would dream ho
so nobody should judge brother Sammy for asema waka no because people are sinning right in front of God and some of us we are even fearing to sin against God.
Now only the boy be no ye nane papa is suffer no mko anwumre sorry a girl be tin nchen boy ne papa preach no nothing in such a girl na tade nu achi na ne such a girl no for ho e wa sorry ho. Say you sorry.
Okay.
Brown, why experience be that? Okay, but I see.
Fees. The last one.